Okay, so kia ora all. This video is going to show you how to put your data from Google Spreadsheet into NZGrapher. So in the previous video, you would have seen that we have got our data all set up here. So we've got it split into forwards and backs, and we've got the ages in here as well. So what I'm going to do is in NZGrapher, this will be the starting screen you'll see. So we will just exit out of that, and then this should be the screen you see here. What I will do is I am going to go into Google Sheets. I'm going to click and select all my data that I've put in, and I'm going to go Command C to copy it. And then when I'm in NZGrapher, I'm going to click on Data. I'm going to paste a table, and going to click Command V and put the data in. It might look a little bit ugly in here, but it should import fine. So as you can see here, we now have position and age, and we've got forwards and backs. So this is our comparison data. So we're going to be creating a box and whisker. So here at graph type, we are going to click on that, and we are going to get a dot plot and box and whisker. So you'll click on that. You'll notice here that it says that you must select a numeric variable for variable 1. So our numeric variable being age. So I'm going to select age as my first variable, and then my second variable will be position. As you'll see, it will create a dot plot for you. If you would want a high box plot, the best option is to go for the high box plot, which is this one here. And we can get quite a good comparison of ages of backs and forwards. Some other valuable things to click on. As I said, in the sheets we can find our mean, median, mode, but we can also click here on summaries, and it will bring up this information for us as well. So it's got our minimum, our lower quartile, our median, our mean, upper quartile, our maximum number, the number of pieces of data, and standard deviation, which is something you may look at going into year 12 and 13. Some other information that if you're looking at year 12 or 13 information as well, we can put in what are called confidence intervals. So we can click on CI limits. That gives us the numbers, and the informal CI will give us the bar that goes in for it also. So this is, as I say, looking more at year 12 and 13 information, but just something to be aware of. The last thing we want to do here is we also want to create a graph title. So this one here is forward v backs and ages. So just something like that is fine. We can then update the graph, and we've got something there to see as well. You can have a little bit of a play around and change, say, the size of some of your points, but how it's set up currently is really quite good. If you then want to copy and paste this into whatever document you're working in, you can click on you can just take a screenshot of it, or if you right click on it, you can copy and paste as well. Hope that helps. Thank you.